Now this is where it gets a little tricky. This is where you're going to need your colored pencils. So on this one, I want to know how many, so if you need to pause and get your colored pencils, do that. How many 3/4 are in 6? Notice the difference in this one? The first 3, we just split them into unit fractions. Now here, this time we're going to put 3 of the portions on each pizza. So this is going to be a really cheesy pizza. Okay, so I still start with the same amount. I start with 6 blocks of cheese. Okay. Try to be a little bit more careful here. Make my blocks of cheese nice. And I ran out of space, so I gotta go down here. That might make issues for me. Try to do better than I did in fitting those in. Okay, so I'm gonna make them into fourths. I guess I'll just do it like I did above. And I know from above that I'm gonna end up with 36 total pieces, right? I'm gonna just write that down here, 36 pieces. So those are 1/4, 36 pieces, and each one is 1/4. But I want to put 3/4 of a block on each pizza. So here I told you to have your colored pencils out, and I didn't. Sorry. Where are my colored pens? Right back here. So think about what's going to happen here. We're going to put these into groups of 3. Each pizza is going to get 3 of these pieces, these portions, these sections, whatever you want to call them. And where are my fabulous colored pens? Ta-da! Okay. So I'm going to put 3 on each pizza. So I'm just going to start, zoom in here a little bit, maybe. So the first pizza gets this one, and this one. There's one pizza. The second pizza gets 1, 2, 3 pieces. The third pizza gets this piece, this portion, and this one. And then the fourth pizza, well, that's blue. I don't want to use blue again. We'll use pink again. Gets this one. 1, 2, 3. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pizzas in this section. So over here, we'll do it again. We have 1, 2, 3. That's one pizza. Here's another pizza. So how do I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pizzas now? Here's pizza 7. And it looks like there's just enough for one more pizza. So altogether, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pizzas. So what I did was I did 6 divided by 3/4, which means I had 6 blocks of cheese, and I want to know how many 3/4 are in there. How many 3/4 in 6? So I had 6 blocks of cheese, and I cut each one into 4 equal pieces, which gave me 24 portions. Then I took those 24 portions And I divided those. I'm just going to do this little arrow. I took the 24 portions and I put them into groups of 3. And that gave me 8 groups. So I had 24 pieces. Why did I write 36 there? That's because there's nobody here to catch me. So you are wrong. What's wrong with you, lady? 24 pieces. I hope you caught that long before I did. So I had the 24 pieces I made first when I cut them into 4 pieces each. And then I put them into groups. So this is a grouping problem where I made a group of 3, another group of 3, another group of 3, another, all the way until I ended up with 8 groups of 3. So 6 divided by 3/4, I did 6 times 4 to make some smaller pieces. And then I put those pieces into groups of 3, and I have 8 groups. So for this one, we can make 8 pizzas. Each with 3/4 of a block of cheese.